Hi guys, Dr. Chloe Costigan here from Mobility Doc. Today I'm going to answer questions about the core that we commonly get from our patients. So I'll first review what is the core, like what muscles constitute it. Then secondly, I'll answer what is the purpose of core work. And then finally, what core work should I be doing? Typically, when we think about the core, we think about the rectus abdominis and the oblique muscles. But what I want to highlight is that actually all of the muscles through the core are any ones that help to support the spine. So doing core work focuses on improving this whole spinal position. So if you can see here, there are a lot of layers to this musculature that helps to support the position of the spine. So you have the quadratus femoris and then some of the transverse abdominis, but all of these muscles need to work together in order to be able to keep the spine in an optimal position. So now that we know that the core consists of more than just the abdominal muscles, we're going to answer the question, what is the purpose of core work? So the purpose of the core work is to be able to teach your spine how to stay in one position. So from the base of your neck all the way down to the bottom of your spine, you have to teach your body to be able to stay in that normal curvature of the spine while you do something functional. A common misconception is that doing core work is the thing that leads to improved functional movement and performance, but that's not actually the case. Core work is a part of doing that, but it's not actually the thing that will lead to improved function and performance. So what core work should you be doing to improve your functional movement and your performance? Well, what you need is you can do those core exercises, but you have to, though, integrate them into something a little more functional. So in terms of what kind of core work you should start with, you can start with your typical ab work that's on the ground, because when you're on the ground, the ground kind of gives your body a position that your spine should be in. It kind of teaches it. Then you can do your plank variations, but you have to get off the ground. So you have to start to think about, okay, can I keep my spine in this optimal position as I do something functional? Like any type of push-pull work and hip hinging and level change work will actually be the most functional core work that you can do, because you're focusing on keeping your spine in a neutral position as you move your limbs. If you want to get a good idea of what core work actually is in terms of improving your functional movement and your performance, join our MD Online community, where we do 3 days a week of programming that focuses on integrating that core work into functional movements, both upper body and lower body. Give us a try. It's only $20 a month.